In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in Google Sheets. If you've ever had text spill out of a cell or get cut off, wrapping your text keeps everything visible and neatly contained without widening your columns. It's quick to set up and will make your sheets much easier to read. First, open Google Sheets and load the spreadsheet you want to work with. You can do this in any modern browser. Once your sheet is open, we're going to apply wrapping so long entries automatically flow onto a new line inside the same cell. To make this change everywhere at once, click the small blank square in the very top left corner of the grid where the row numbers and column letters meet. This selects the entire sheet in one click. If you'd rather apply wrapping to just a section, you can drag to select Arrange or select specific rows or columns. Selecting the whole sheet is helpful if you want consistent formatting for current and future entries. With your cells selected, look to the menu bar at the top and click Format. This menu holds most of your formatting tools, and it's where text wrapping options live. In the Format menu, hover over Wrapping. You'll see three choices: Overflow, Wrap, and Clip. Here's what they do so you can pick with confidence. Overflow lets text spill into empty neighboring cells, which can look messy and can cause issues when those neighbors fill up later. Clip keeps text confined to the cell's width, but anything that doesn't fit simply disappears from view unless you widen the column. Wrap, which we want, keeps everything in the cell and automatically moves extra text onto new lines, adjusting the row height so all content is visible. Go ahead and click Wrap. Instantly, any long entries will stack neatly within their cells. Google Sheets will auto-adjust row heights to show all lines. If a row looks cramped, that's usually because of the current zoom level or a very narrow column. Widening the column slightly can improve readability without turning off wrapping. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Wrapping is great for headers, addresses, notes, and comments where complete visibility matters. If you're preparing a printout, wrapping ensures nothing is cut off, but be mindful that taller rows can push content onto additional pages. You can always fine-tune column widths after wrapping to strike the right balance between compact and readable. That's it. Your text is now formatted to stay tidy and easy to read. Thanks for watching and enjoy a cleaner, more professional-looking sheet.